Hello and welcome. My name is Emmanuel Omabugon. I'm a data analyst, a Microsoft Excel expert, and an accountant. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spell check in Microsoft Excel. So I'll be teaching us how to spell check in Microsoft Excel. Now let me say this. Spell check by default in Excel is usually ignored, given that the user or the software itself works majorly on numbers as compared with text. Now what we are saying is that most times in Microsoft Excel we work with numbers, we don't work with text, and that is why the way Excel was programmed is that whenever you even make any spelling, instead of it to underline it for you like your Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel will ignore it because the software works majorly with numbers. But of course, we know that, whenever you are trying to present your report, in order for the report to make sense, most times we are going to associate figures with text. For example, look at this pension schedule on your screen. Discover that Alex Jato, investment analyst, was spelled wrongly. The accountant for Vincent Honor was also spelled wrongly. Akinmulegun Bisoye, the general secretary, okay, I think the spelling is okay. The auditor for here, Alabi Pamilerin, was spelled wrongly. Now, when you present this or send this to your boss, it reduces or lower your credibility. Now, how can you fix spelling error in Microsoft Excel? Now, that is what this video is all about. So this video is going to be very short. Now, so imagine you prepare a data like this. Fine, the figures here, they are correct. If you want to know how to do this, I will leave a link in the description box where you can know how to compute pension schedule. Fine, the calculations here, they are correct. But when you print something like this, or you send it to your boss, or something like this is being printed, you discover that the credibility of this report is faulty. Why? Because there are some misspelled words. Now, how can you correct that on Microsoft Excel? Now, mind you, if it is on Microsoft Word, the text to be underlined red, you know there's an error there, you fix it. But on Excel, you won't know that. The way you can fix this on Excel is by simply highlighting. You can simply tap on the column where you want to fix the error, all right? Or you can just tap on the column where you want to fix the error. Then you go to this is it. I just tap on this D. I just tap on the column where I want to fix the error. Then I go to click on review. When you click on review, you will see spelling. Click on spellings. When you click on spellings, you see the investment. Look at it. The investment is wrong. Now, Excel is now suggesting for us that should we use this? Yes, of course. You can say investment or investment. So which one you prefer to use? So it's investment. Then you click on change. The second one says analyst. Can you see? Analyst. So the first one is correct, so you click on change. Another one says accountant. You can see the spelling of accountant here is wrong, but Excel has given us the right answer, which is accountant. Then you click on change. The next one is secretary. You also click on change. Auditor. You see the auditor spelling is wrong, but this is the right one, auditor. Click on change. Manufacturing, there's nothing wrong with that, so we just leave it like that, but we still click on change in order to proceed to the next one. The next thing is quality control. We see, look at the control, look at the right spelling for control here. We'll tap on it and then we click on change. The next thing is marketing. Look at the marketing spelling, very wrong. If you present this to your boss, you might receive a query, you understand? So there's need for you to check all these things on Excel. So you click on change again. The next thing is account receivable. Peace Linus belong to the account receivable department. Now the receivable here is wrong. Now they have given us the right one. You can either say receivable or receivables, but in this case it's account receivable. Click on change. The next one is human resource. The resources was not spelled. The resource was not spelled completely. So you tap on resource. That's human resource. Click on change. The next one is chief executive officer or chief executive office. You understand? Or officer, as the case may be. Then you click on change to correct that. It says spell check complete. You are good to go. So guys, that is how you can correct. Then you just click on OK. So guys, that is how you can correct spelling errors on Microsoft Excel. All you need to do is to go to review, then you click on the spelling, then you begin to correct whatever you want to correct. Look at this one now. It's correcting the names Of course, you do not need to correct the names because normally Excel will see everything as an error. But so sure you understand. So that's how you can correct errors on Microsoft Excel. There's also a shortcut to that. So the shortcut is just to highlight this, then press F7 on your keyboard. Press F7. When you press F7, you see when I press F7, it tells me that my spell check is already complete because I've already corrected it. So the first method, as a recap, is to go to review, click on spellings, and then you begin to correct. It's because we have already corrected it, you begin to correct. Or the second shortcut is to press F7 on your keyboard. You see F7. Let me write it for us here. It says spell checking is already complete. F7. If you see this on your keyboard, you see F7, just press on it and it will bring out the spell checking dialog box where you can use to correct errors. Alright, so guys, that is how you can correct errors on Microsoft Excel. Of course, when you present a report that the spelling error is not much or the spelling error is out of the equation, your report becomes credible. Okay, so guys, if you are new to this channel and you found value in this video, the only way you can encourage me is by clicking on the subscribe button so that when we release new videos, you will be notified about it. Thank you and God bless you. See you in my next video.